Choksi. I'm assistant professor in LJIT. Student, welcome to session number 2 of modern serving instrument. In this session, I have explained about electromagnetic distance measurement. Means I have explained about the instrument of EDM. So in this session, I will explain a principle of EDM and types of EDM, means types of electromagnetic distance measurement and use of this instrument. Now, first electromagnetic distance measurement. I have explained in a previous session about the different type of method. Second is the electromagnetic wave and electromagnetic spectrum. Because EDM are used for finding the horizontal distance, so the understanding of this instrument, you have first understand about the electromagnetic wave because the distance are found by the electromagnetic wave. So you have first watch the video number 1. So you have clearly understand and the properties of electromagnetic spectrum I have already explained in a previous session. So now separate EDM are not very popular. Instead of total station which have inbuilt EDM is being used. But in a past year the separate EDM are there. So first our main goal in this chapter understanding of the total station. So total station is a combination of EDM plus electronic digital theodolite. So first you have understanding about the EDM. But nowadays a separate EDM are not used, not a very popular in a serving branch. But total station are important which have inbuilt EDM being the use. But you have understanding about the EDM. So I have taken a topic of electromagnetic distance measurement in this session. So before the understanding of the total station, you have studied about the EDM. So measurement of distance is accomplished with a modulate microwave or infrared carrier signal generated by a small solid state emitter within the instrument optical path and bounds of the object to be measured. So first you have measurement of distance is depending upon the different type of waves. I have already explained in a previous session in an electromagnetic spectrum like microwave or infrared carrier signal. So EDM are or in a EDM the distance is measured by properties of electromagnetic waves. So I have already explained in a previous session the cycle, the frequency, or other properties of the electromagnetic wave. Now, the modulation pattern in the returning signal is read and interpreted by onboard computer in the EDM. So, this is a component of EDM. So, first, the waves are generated and reflect the object and then back to the instrument and one onboard software are there. So, showing the reading of the horizontal distance as well as the horizontal angle. So the modulation pattern in the returning signal is read and interpreted by the onboard computer in the EDM. Now the distance is determined by the emitting and receiving the multiply frequency and determine the intergate number of wavelengths to the target for each frequency. So how to find the distance? You know that first emitting the wave, then receiving by multiplying frequency and determining the intergate number of wavelengths. You know that when the wavelength is smaller, then frequency is high, then and when frequency is higher, then or frequency is lower, then wavelength is higher or longer side. So distance is determined by the emitting and receiving multiplying frequency and determine the intricate number of wavelengths to the target for each frequency. I have already explained about the what is the wavelength, what is the frequency, what is the electromagnetic spectrum. I have already explained in a previous session. So you have watched first session, then watch this video, so you have clearly understand. Now, EDM is the means this type of instrument is measurement of distance between the 2 points. So now, what is the principle of general principle of the electromagnetic distance measurement? The general principle involves sending a modulated electromagnetic. You know that this is the instrument is based on electromagnetic waves. So electromagnetic beam from one transmitter at the master station to reflect and the remote station at receiving it back at the master station. So here wave are produced in the EDM instrument, then reflect the reflector, then reflect the remote station, then back, then receiving the remote station, then back at the master station. So this is a path of electromagnetic wave. First, generate the electromagnetic wave from EDM instrument, then reflect the remote station, then after the receiving the remote station the waves, then back to the at the master station. So this is the general principle of the electromagnetic distance measurement instrument, means EDM. Now the instrument measures the slope distance between transmitter and receiver by modulating the continuous carrier waves at different frequency and the measuring the phase difference at the master station between the outgoing and the incoming signal. So measuring the phase difference between the master station to the remote sensor. So the difference are finding between the outgoing and the incoming signal. So you find this type of difference. So you have find the easily to find the distance between the station to the object point. This establishes the following relationship for a double distance, means is a 2D. A wave is transmitted and the returning wave is measured to the find the distance is traveled. You know that. EDM principle means instrument are found the time. You know that. Velocity equal to distance upon time. So we have measure goal to find the distance from this instrument. Velocity you know that 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Time you have find means what is the time. So first EDM instrument, first electromagnetic energy or electromagnetic waves are produced and reflect the remote station, means object, then remote station is receiving this electromagnetic waves, then it after the receiving it back it into the master station. So this process have taken at some time. So electromagnetic distance measurement have measured some times between the taking or while or taking the timing between the produce the electromagnetic wave to the reflect and reflect to the back in the remote main station. So measuring the time, so you know that velocity equal to distance upon time. So velocity in a vacuum 3 into 10 raised to meter per second. Time is found by the EDM. So measure the distance. So this is the general principle of the electromagnetic distance measurement. A wave is transmitted and the returning wave is measured to the find the distance traveled. Now, after knowing the understanding the EDM means electromagnetic distance measurement principle, now explain the types of EDM. So first described by from the electromagnetic energy. First instrument were preliminary microwave in found by in a 1947. Present instrument are some from light and laser or near infrared lights. Described by the range of operation. Generally, microwave are 30 to 50 kilometer range and developed in early 70s and were used for control survey like horizontal control point and vertical control point survey. And light EDM generally 3 to 5 kilometer range and used in engineering and construction. So EDM classification, there are three types based on described by from electromagnetic energy, described by the range of operation. So described by the first, you know that described by the electromagnetic energy. So first electromagnetic instrument found in a 1947 and is called as the microwave instrument. Then range of operation. So generally microwave 30 to 50 kilometer range. Similar that EDM, light EDM is visible light instrument, generally 3 to 5 kilometer range. So these instruments are used in engineering and construction. Now, now next type of EDM instrument. So first is a microwave instrument, visible light instrument, and infrared wave instrument. This is an image of microwave instrument. This is an image of visible light, and third is an infrared wave instrument. Now, microwave instrument. This instrument make use of microwaves. Tellurimeter comes under this category. This is a tellurimeter of this under this category of the microwave instrument. Tellurimeter can be used in days as well as a night. This range of this instrument is up to 100 kilometer. Example of Sirica 1962 model, back and front of instrument 9 kg with the case. So this is a name of microwave instrument, and tellurimeter comes under this category. This is the most important, means this is a highly definition because its range is up to the 100 kilometer, and as well as used in a night as well as in a day. Now second is a visible line instrument. First unit is Seiga 1959, 50 kg each for measurement, unit and optics. This instrument really on propagation of modulate light waves. During night its range up to 25 km, while in a day in a range is up to 5 km. Accuracy of this instrument varies from 0 to 0.2 mm to 1 kilometer with range of 2 to 3 km. So while you have find the distance between 2 to 3 km, so its accuracy is high, like 0.2 mm to 1 mm per kilometer. And last, the geodometer comes under this category of EDM instrument. So in a visible light instrument, is called as a geodometer because it's come under this category. And last, infrared wave instrument. So in this instrument, amplitude modulated infrared waves are used. Prism reflector are used at the end of line to be measured. These instruments are light and economical, can be mounted on the theodolite, because you know that the EDM and combination of EDM and digital electronics. So this is basically use infrared wave instrument because the lightweight, reason is the lightweight. So the light and economical and as well as the economical. So these are used in a total station. Now with this instrument accuracy achieved plus minus 10 mm, the range of this instrument is up to 3 km, and the instrument comes under this category of EDM instrument. So first is a microwave instrument, so tellurimeter comes under this category. Then visible lighting instrument, geodometer comes under this category, and last is an infrared. So the instrument comes under this category of EDM instrument. And last EDM instrument is electron digital theodolite, because the total I have explained in the next session about the total station. So total station is a combination of EDM plus electronic digital theodolite. So I have covered in this session. For precise survey, the vernier theodolite replaced by modern theodolite. I have already explained what is a vernier theodolite in a session of theodolite session. So modern theodolites such as the optical and electronic theodolite. The electronic theodolite have optical system, scan both horizontal and vertical circle and display them digitally on a screen. So this is advancement theodolite. So it's called the electronic digital theodolite because the reading have taken in a digital form. So this is the most important instrument, or it is the advancement instrument. So total station is a combination of EDM and digital electronic digital theodolite. So I have explained that student in this session about the EDM, principle of EDM, types of EDM, and last is the electronic digital theodolite. So thank you so much for watching this video.